Hello everybody, I'm Sally. Today I'd like to share some useful tips when we writing the IRW. Before we doing the IRW, we need to bring one articles with no notes on it, and then will be given another articles on the test and compare them, write about IRW essay. I think the first step is to learn how to write the note of the articles. It's very important to do for doing great IRW writing. And when we do the note taking, here's thinkings by authors themselves, and the year of the published, and the journal of the article, and maybe some others, but now I just think this. So before we write down these key points, we can do the critical thinkings about the two different articles. The first, we need to in the RW essay, we need to write down the names of the articles and the author's name of the articles. And then to introduce the purpose of the articles and compare the difference between them. Here is some advice for you. When I do my before do the first IRW, I just to write down the whole page of IRW to make your own IRW structure. It's very useful when you preparing your next test. And you can see in the first paragraph is to introduce the article's titles and the author's name and compare the purpose. And then I will going to talk about the method of the articles. Is quantitative or qualitative? Is the data useful or valuable? And just to introduce the method, and then you can just come up with some results to show your critical thinkings. And compare with the general. Maybe they come from different types of genre, and compare their audience. I think here there have two important paragraph in our IRW. One is the article reliable, and another is the article useful. At the first, firstly, at the reliable parts, we can just compare with we can inform for the reliable by author's background. Always the authors come from university. These occupations we can is qualified, we can trust, and the publisher is very famous, and we can trust, and then and then the journal of the articles is academic journal we can trust, and the layout of the articles with subheadings, headings, or tables or figures. This can let readers easily to find information or understand the conceptions, and then maybe the method is quantitative or qualitative. The data were valuable and can be trusted, and by the useful part, we can talk about the year of the published year is nearly from now or far away from now, so it can be useful or not, and compare the also we can compare the information in the article. Always, if the article talk about some science or some technical, this can be changed faster than others field of knowledge. So we need to notice that. And the last part I want to talk about is when we do the IRW, we need to write down a conclusion in the end. Just talk a simple sentence like this research is deeper analysis or superficial suggestion, like that. It can show you have the briefly about the data. We can just support our idea of what part need to improve, can make data stronger. Maybe the method is just qualitative research or quantitative research, so they need to be a mixed qualitative research or quantitative research. But it depends on the information and the question they want to research. Created my own IRW structure and just find how to use the structure to follow the idea step by step to analyze the two different articles. I can easily to write the IRW during the test in a short time. So I want my tips is helpful for you. Thank you.